So the packaging definitely looks a little bit like JBL. Same kind of box, same kind of preview. On the side there are cables and so on. So definitely they look very well to JBL. Let's take it out. Really nice packaging, steady. And there it is. So audio quality is very decent. I do think that the bass is a little bit more boosted in the upper side, but also in the very low side. You can see them move a lot. Loudness is there. It's definitely loud enough. It has around 20 watts of power, I believe. I'm not sure yet. And it does have a very big battery inside, so you can use it for charging your phone. And something great is it does it with 2 amps. So it's not like fast charge, but pretty fast for like a Bluetooth speaker with power bank functionality. So yeah, that's something great about it. I do have to say that one thing I've noticed with the lights on the sides, they are very well under this passive radiator side. So this means that, for example, that if you have the lights off, you don't really see them. And if you have it on, you see them light up a bit. I do prefer this a little bit than some other speakers have. One thing I do have noticed is that the build quality could be a little bit better with the metal fabric here, or the metal grill. It's just a little bit bumped up here around the buttons. and also here it isn't like very perfect inside it. I do think audio quality is the most important thing, and it does it alright. I will definitely compare it with the Charge 5 to see how they perform together.